What happened, Marco? What is that? What is that? Marco's angry. Probably can't hear me, but...
Wait, you're dark.
Drink water, guys. Stay hydrated. We're at OSW, little private event that Driftfish Cuba. So, excuse you. Spun out. But yeah, we're out here doing a little vlog for my 1,000 subscriber. Finally, took so long. I'm not gonna vlog too much again, but here's a lot of clips of riding with Marco. It's IS300 1J. Oh my, this guy's rude. Oh yeah, he lost a bumper, so he's angry. So we'll talk to him later. Look who it is.
There's like a sharp thing sticking out.
Looks alright.
Dang.
Could be alright.
I lost the middle of the wheel.
You know why? It's because you didn't V8 the car.
What happened?
What?
What?
Don't tell that to my job, right?
It's definitely faster than I thought it was going to be, and I think that's what's the scariest part about it. Because it made a bunch of grip.
You just weren't ready for it.
No, because I thought these tires were trash. So, I don't know.
Have you noticed the wheel's bigger than Ravi?
That's
It's like
fine.
struggling to put it
I
in.
had the stupid box in there because I'm an idiot.
Hey, let's put a box before I put all the wheels. But okay.
Yeah. A little bit.
Is that good?
Yeah, sick. I ran out of tires though.
Oh, it's in my BMW. I bought it.
Marco, how are you feeling today?
Frustrated.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, you've been there the whole time. Always filming. Like, were you supposed to be filming me last night when I was like showering, or is that like some other stuff you're doing? Is that a project that you're up to?
Why are you gonna tell our secret?
Filming men showering?
Why are you telling our secret?
So I shouldn't tell them about how you shaved my back?
Oh!
majestic.
Come on, girl.